Greetings and welcome to this video and to my channel. We recently got back from a family vacation in our minivan, and it was time to clean out the sand in our mats, and the vacuum cleaner, the little shop vac, just wasn't doing it. So in this video I'm going to show you a quick and easy way that you can clean those mats without having to remove them. Again, here is our trip, and we are rocking the minivan. So the front on the two floor mats up here, we have some pretty nice ones. They're not rubber. You can see the brand there. And the shop vac picks that up, all that sand, pretty easily. And again, I'm trying to not take these mats out. Now in the back, it also cleans up relatively easily, but I've got these other mats in the second and third floor that are kind of crisscrossed like this, and I'll put links down below if you're looking to trick out your minivan with highly recommended floor mats. I like these a lot. If you spill water, it doesn't slosh around. It's contained within those like cross patterns. Can you see that? But the downside is they get, obviously loose stuff will suck up well with the shop vac when it comes time to clean it, but some of that sand and dirt and whatnot actually kind of sticks to the rubber. So just a simple pass with the shop vac like this will get up some, but not all of it. So what can you do? Obviously we can remove the floor mats, take the seats out and pull those things out, wash them down with soap and water. But instead I'm going to show you a little trick. Again, this is kind of the problem shot here. Some of it's coming up, but you can still see we've got plenty of dirt inside those little cross-check patterns. All right, so we're going to grab our trusty brush. Now, this is a soft bristled brush. I like having this in the garage for lots of different things. It cleans screens really well, your hair dryer, on the back of your hair dryer, for example, when that lint gets built up, or this. And look what I'm doing here. I'm just kind of brushing it back and forth, and it kind of loosens up all of that stuff pretty well. Is it 100%? No, of course not. I don't know if you can ever get 100%, even if you take this out and spray it down. But the idea is to get most of it, and then once it's loosened up, you can go over it with your shop vac again, like this, and you're gonna see night and day results. And that'll really save you time. Avoid having to pull everything out, like I said, because only in extreme situations do I typically do that. So this is a great way, a quick way. Have a brush, have a shop vac, and you got to put a little elbow grease into it, but it's not too bad. A little technique here, you can kind of put them together and kind of brush and suck up all that stuff at the same time, or you can rub the brush first and then deploy your shop vac afterwards. And several passes will do the trick, just like that. Give you some more shots here, and that is how I do it. And you can see that's looking a lot better already. And the brushing takes like an extra couple of minutes. If this is a 5-minute job, the brushing is going to take you 7 minutes total, for everything. So it's not too bad at all. All right, so we're about done here. Now this stuff on the side cleans up pretty well. Basically any kind of rubberized floor mat, you're going to find sticking, and that's you're going to need to use the brush then. If it's like a really hard plastic like your trim, the dirt doesn't like stick to it very well, or the sand doesn't stick to it, so it comes up without needing to do it. So there's the problem again, kind of a closer look. We'll zoom in here, see that brush in action. You can even get fancy and use circular motions. Look out. Get it nice and loose. Go over it with the vacuum again. You get the point, right? It's not rocket science. All right, we'll go ahead and shut that off. Looking pretty clean. I am happy with that job. Hopefully this video has helped you out. Click that like button down below. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for being with me.